It's cost me $150. The fee associated with the Bitcoin network is truly too high. So this is me yesterday charging a draft on the Bitcoin BRC-20 network. After charging, I realized that I am the president of the institute. On the BINC side, the REITs token has been online for a significant period of time, and the increase in the exchange is around 1,000%, which is approximately 10 times, a highly exaggerated figure. It was already online in early November. I am the president of the hospital myself, with a mining fee of $150. I don't know how many REITs can be bought. On the BINC side, there is an exclusive BRC-20 section, and both orders and sets of Hengguo are the first to be listed. So if you want to recharge the BRC-20 network but don't want to use a wallet, it's really troublesome after all. Gets is really expensive. You really have to register a BINCs. Because all the BRC-20 tokens listed on this page are extremely popular, and they have the potential to increase by 10 times after being listed on the exchange. Therefore, if you do not want to miss out on this BRC-20 trend, make sure to register and download the BINCs exchange platform. It is the fastest among all exchanges I have observed, so it can make transactions one step ahead and earn twice as much profit as others. Hurry up and recharge. Next, let's talk about the Bitcoin market. First, let's take a look at the Binance announcement. TBK, this token is on the verge of being renamed. Generally speaking, renaming is a positive thing, as it is equivalent to relisting a project in a new and improved manner. All can set up ambush for token, forming investment views, all accountable for own gains. The renaming will take place at 3 a.m. UTC on November 27th, and there are approximately 10 days remaining until this time. I believe we can retain this coin, wait for its listing, and then promptly sell it. Pay attention to name change to avoid difficulty in finding later. Renaming, mainnet upgrade, and fork are generally positive factors. For the third genres of tokens, let's discuss exchange-traded funds. The SEC has delayed the submission of Hashdex's ETF application and also postponed Grayscale's application for Ethereum futures ETFs. The old routine of SEC is always to postpone. This is OKEX's Bitcoin perpetual contract trading. Yes, I mentioned in the previous video that you can short near the previous high. The market made a sprint to near the previous high around $38,000 and then fell down as anticipated. The fallback is about 6 points, which is quite exaggerated. What about these two bills? It was me who opened a position in the community. If you are interested, you are welcome to join. What about the current price? It has fallen back to my 0.618 level, but there are signs of upward rebound at the moment. Lately, the market has been fluctuating in a range, approximately between 0.5 and my axis. In fact, let's take a closer look at the trading volume below. Both long and short positions are still relatively weak. I'll feel the market trend is still mainly oscillating within a range, so we'll short sell on rallies and buy on dips, our trading strategy. Then I think at 0.618, you can choose to establish your own long position as well as the 0.5 below. But if you encounter such a situation, your stop loss may be hit, but you can continue to go long below, so you still have a chance to turn losses into gains. Let's examine the 4-hour chart. Based on the 4-hour chart, it is evident that the bearish aspect of this downward trend is not lacking in strength. It is apparent that it is in close proximity to the peak of the bulls, albeit slightly lower. And if you take a look at the bulls below, you can clearly see that it is noticeably lower in magnitude than the main volume in front of it. In addition, the matter of ETF has been delayed. Please pay attention to market risks. Many are asking, how high will this wave of Bitcoin rebound? Let's first look at the weekly chart. From a weekly perspective, the bulls do not have a strong bearish presence, especially at this level. I believe there are two positions ahead that are currently experiencing significant suppression. One of them is located around $41,000, while the other one is situated around $46,000. Then these two positions are very likely to be a recent weakness in Bitcoin's rise or resistance in the range. As for the decline, I personally think it is unlikely to fall into a downward range of around 15,000. I believe that even if it falls, it will probably only drop to about $29,000, and then it may experience a sharp decline. if you want to speculate on your buddy, you can choose to enter the spot market for Bitcoin at this price level. That and above, I've already told everyone. The weekly level, it's a relatively strong resistance. The Audi ecosystem is thriving. Recently, the altcoins have not been as strong as them, including Pepe's increase, which is not as strong as the Ordi sector. To capitalize on altcoin wave, use Binx for hassle-free purchase of BRC-20 tokens, avoiding complex on-chain wallets. Seize the opportunity without complications. It has the fastest upstream speed, and a fast upstream speed means other exchanges will list it for takeover. The most important thing about altcoins is to buy early and sell high. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Then I will also put Binx's registration link below the video so everyone can hurry up and register, seize the opportunity to get rich in the next bull market. That's it for today. Bye-bye.